Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Mr. Muppet Fan Enterprises Inc. presents Evil Princess Stella the Tourmaline gal burps in class / grounded, and was inspired by Catboy 2001.
Okay class, today we will be doing some music.
Gulp 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 gulp.
Evil Princess Stella the Tourmaline gal, what are you drinking?
I'm drinking soda from a cup.
Well, there is absolutely no drinking while we are in class.
Well, you got me no choice but to drink all of the soda. Gulp 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 gulp.
Evil Princess Stella the Tourmaline gal, don't drink all of the soda. If you do that, you are going to burp so bad.
I do not care. Gulp 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 gulp. Ah, much better. Oh shoot, I don't feel so good. I think I'm going to.
Evil Princess Stella the Tourmaline gal, did you just burp in my class?
Yes, I did.
Oh my god, Evil Princess Stella the Tourmaline gal, how dare you burp in my class? Now my classroom smells stinky because of you. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So, Evil Princess Stella the Tourmaline gal, why are you here today?
I burped in Miss Allison's classroom.
Evil Princess Stella the Tourmaline gal, would you not burp in class? Now the classroom for Miss Allison smells stinky because of you. Not only if you're expelled for sure, go home right now.
Evil Princess Stella the Tourmaline Gallons, I cannot believe you burped in class. That's it. You were grounded for 105 months. Go to your room right now.
Wow.